Welcome to what could be your summer getaway. Are you interested in a vacation property that's waterfront and that's got a pickleball court? This property could be for you. Now, before I take you guys inside the property, which I know you're dying to see, let's first stop and take a look at what the outside of this property has to offer. Right to the left of me here, there's a beautiful spot where your family and friends can gather in an evening for a campfire. But not only that, but there's more activities that you can do on this property. Right over here, we have a beautiful pickleball court that was recently installed. Now, as we walk down to the Juniata River to take a look at the beautiful view that we have to offer at the end of this property, I also wanted to mention that this property has 2.5 acres on this property, which is nice. It allows for a lot of space for activities, the pickleball court and whatnot. But not only that, the house is very spacious and it allows for a sleeping capability of up to 16 people, which is awesome if you want to have multiple families stay at the house. Now, we finally arrived to one of the biggest selling points of this property. Take a look behind me. You will see the beautiful Juniata River. It's awesome if you're into fishing, if you're into kayaking, if maybe you just want to lay out on a paddleboard and enjoy this beautiful summer weather we're going to be having. This is the spot for you. And what makes this spot even better is that the accessibility to the river is so convenient. There is a ramp right here that goes directly down to the river. So if you're bringing a kayak trailer or a boat or whatnot, it's easy access to the river and easy access to fun. Another feature that is just an awesome bonus to this property is the amount of outdoor living spaces that there are. You have 2 layers of decks that you can use and optimize. So your family can be hanging out in the bottom deck while separate family members on the upstairs deck. And it just allows for a lot of different spaces to enjoy this outdoor beautiful space that we have. So as we walk into this house, just take a look at the newly painted exterior. This was all redone. The brickwork was all repointed. The painting was all freshly done, so you don't have to worry about any rot or issues like that on the property because the exterior was all freshly done. Yeah, and just standing on top of this upper deck section, you can really get an idea of the beautiful outdoor activity spaces that I know you guys are gonna enjoy. From up here, you can have a great view of the pickleball courts, this beautiful grilling situation here that you can have with your family. And you can even see the Juniata River from this deck, which is awesome. Now, I know what you've been waiting for. Let's step inside and take a look. Walking into the living room from the second level deck entryway, you walk into a beautiful, stunning, peaceful living room space. It has a matching furniture set, gray, with a beautiful table here. And guess what? All furniture is included on this purchase. So that's special. It's ready to go. It's turnkey. Walking over here, we have a large dining room table for all your guests and family that I know you're gonna want to enjoy with in the summertime. And it does come with a very spacious kitchen as well. So walking down this hallway right from the kitchen, you come to your first main full bathroom here on the second level, as well as 3 bedrooms, and this bedroom right here is the primary. The primary, it does have its own bathroom, which is a plus. Going across the hall here is our 3rd bedroom on the 2nd floor. Like I said, everything is included, and they went the extra distance in this property to decorate everything. You can walk into this bedroom right here. You have the beautiful high beds right here with, you know, the side tables. Walking down into the basement space, you have a whole nother living room space, which I envision, you know, late in the night playing games with family, or maybe having the kids down here when they get rowdy. Another nice item you have for heat, you have a wood burning fireplace right there, which is definitely gonna keep this space nice and heated in the wintertime. And I like the ceilings even in this property. It has a drop ceiling in, but it's a matte black, which makes the basement feel nice and cozy almost. So follow me, we'll walk down the hallway here. So this is gonna be the bathroom here on the basement level. It's got a corner shower and it's very spacious. There's a lot of room in here. So we walk through down the hallway, follow me. This is gonna be more of the children's room. You have the double bunk beds, another full bedroom right down here. And it's pretty much like the same style as the upstairs. Everything is very tidy, modern, beautiful rug. Yeah, everything's included, it's awesome. The furniture is beautiful. And last but not least, in the basement here, we have washer and dryers, 2 of them. So if you got a lot of laundry, you can do 2 loads at once. So walking out of the basement, right into the lower portion of the deck, I love how spacious it is on these decks right outside. A lot of room for putting tables, chairs, putting, you know, you can play games, put another grill down here. And another cool element, I did mention that the exterior was all redone. You can take a look at this beautiful brick. All of this was repointed and they did an awesome job. All right guys, so you've seen the inside of the house, completely redone, new flooring, new paint, furniture comes with the place. It's turnkey, it's ready to go. You've seen the outside of the place, the pickleball court, the Juniata River right down the hill. It's got everything, it's got activities, it's got all the amenities that it has to offer, and it could be yours for this summer, 2026. My name's Jared Weaver. I'm co-listing this with Luke Schlabach. Contact us and we'll get you more information.